This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by Rebecca Hughes. Highly desirable single-story 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with 20 of deeded waterfront west/tidelands. This is a well-maintained, low-maintenance home and grounds, spacious and open kitchen, dining, and living room with a warm and inviting fireplace. Soak in the jacuzzi tub west/handrails and watch the abundance of wildlife and sunsets. Store your vehicles and toys in the oversized 2-car garage and carport. A private well and septic that keep your costs low. Currently rented through June 22, adheres to the tenant/landlord rights. Possession July and possibly earlier. For more information, review the details below.